What? Dr. Wheelo has a new form? Impossible! Why didn't anyone tell me? Alright, based on the special episode involving Goku Black's new form, Super Saiyan Rose 3, and Dr. Wheelo's new robotic body. We'll be drawing the new characters that showed up in the Big Bang mission. This new form of Dr. Wheelo is a big deal, and actually, I actually like this new character. He looks like an astronaut. A few years ago, Dr. Wheelo had his brain placed in a jar. Over the years, it's been growing and growing ever since. And, well, its robot design looks a lot different than in the movie. Okay, then. Now we draw the energy cannon. I've been a long-time fan of the Big Bang mission, and I consider it quite interesting. Alexa, what is Momentosaurus?
Here's something I found on the web. According to Weebly.com, discovered by paleontologist Hisham Salem, Mansurosaurus has been hailed as the holy grail of dinosaurs in Africa.
And finished. That is how you draw Dr. Wheelo's new form. Wow. These warriors are never going to stop evolving. Anyway, that's all the time I have for now for this character. By the way, are you excited for the new Ultra God mission being released? There's going to be a lot of new characters and specified as new forms. Hope there'll be new fighters on the way. That's how you draw Dr. Wheelo. Please like your vlog and subscribe to my channel, and check out which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. I'm always here, and I'm not going to stop until they're all complete. Stegosaurus, see you later. See you soon.